paan, 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 moon, 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 paan, 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 paan is moon, 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 moon. Paan in African or Sudanese, black in Mabaan tribe means moon, moon, moon. In Arabic is sa'ar, 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 sa'ar. Pan, 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 moon, 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 shar, sar, 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 pan, 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 moon, 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 sar, 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 pan, 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 moon, 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 sar, 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 sar. Please stay tuned, stay excited. I got more and more to give out. And please subscribe on my website. And please hit, thumbs up. I really appreciate that. That's a lot to me. And that's mean you like the information that I'm giving to you. And it is special, it's unique. If you like to learn African, if you want to learn Mabaan tribe, Sudanese, and other languages too. So I'm here about translations, about meaning of languages. And I hope that these information that I'm giving to you would satisfy you. My life is all about experience, about languages, about English, Arabic, Mabaan, or Black language or Sudanese. And that's what I know, that's what I started, as a little boy. So my experience about languages, and I hope that you as well, you guys are out there, with the experience, with the same or different, view of language. But I'm here to make language clear, and to introduce African Mabaan tribe language to be a class, to be known into the world, all over the world. And that's why I'm here. Stay tuned, and I will get back to you with different videos, as soon as possible. Thank you.